Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about some important IUPAC nomenclature of organic chemistry. This is very important video. This will be very helpful to you in your NEET as well as your board exams. So thoroughly go through this video. There are three columns: structural formula, IUPAC name and common name. So structural formula, IUPAC name and common name. First one, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. As the OH group is on second carbon, the IUPAC name will be 2. Then there are 3 carbons, so it will be prop, and it is having hydroxyl group. So the molecule is alcohol, so it will be propanol. So the IUPAC name of this molecule will be 2-propanol. I hope it will be clear to you. Now the common name. The common name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Next one, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. So if you count, there are 3 carbons in a single line. So the prefix will be prop. The functional group attached to this will be, one is methyl group at second carbon, because we have to consider first carbon at which the OH group is attached. So this will be first carbon and this will be second carbon. So the name of this molecule will become, the IUPAC name will be 2-methyl 1-propanol. Second position it is methyl group and first position it is hydroxyl group. So the name of this molecule will be 2-methyl 1-propanol. There are 4 carbons, total 4 carbons. So the common name will become isobutyl alcohol. Remember, if all the carbons are in a single line, then we write the prefix N. That means normal. Here it is iso. If 4 carbons are arranged like this, then you write the prefix in common name as iso. If there are 5 carbons, then there are 3 possibilities. You might have studied different isomers. I'm just giving some glimpse. So if there are 5 carbons, this arrangement is also possible. Besides this one, and this one. So this will become iso, this will become normal N, and this arrangement is called neo. Next one, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. There are total 4 carbons, so the prefix will be but, and there is hydroxyl group at second carbon, so it will be 2, and for alcohol we write anol, so butanol. So the name, IUPAC name of this compound will be 2-butanol, and the common name will be secondary butyl alcohol. Why it is secondary? Because the carbon to which the alcohol group is attached, that carbon is linked to 2 other carbons. So this carbon is 2-degree carbon. So in common name it is written secondary butyl alcohol. Next one, CH3, CH3, C, CH3, OH. So here in single line there are 3 carbons. In second carbon, it is one is methyl group, one is hydroxyl group. So the IUPAC name will be 2-methyl 2-propanol. I hope it will be clear to you. And as this carbon to which OH group is attached, this carbon, it is tertiary because this carbon is attached to 3 other carbon. So in common name we write tertiary butyl alcohol. Next one, CH2, CH2, or you must say CH2OH, CH2OH. There are 2 carbons and 2 OH groups. So here the IUPAC name will be ethane because there are 2 carbons, and in first and second position there are 2 hydroxyl groups, so 1, 2, and it will be written as diol, ethane 1,2-diol. This will be the IUPAC name for this compound. The common name for this compound will be ethylene glycol. Next compound, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Here there are 3 carbons, so propane and 3 hydroxyl group attached at 1, 2 and 3rd position, so it will become propane 1,2,3-triol. The common name for this compound will be glycerol. It is also written as glycerine. Last compound, benzene ring and CH2OH. This benzene ring, this will be considered as phenyl ring. So phenyl, and here there is only 1 carbon and OH group, so it is written as methanol. So the IUPAC name for this compound will be phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. And the common name for phenyl methanol will be benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice time. Take care.